Hello friends, Mohit here. Today I would like to share my personal experience of Vedantu demo coding class. I learned basic coding in Python language with some different activities. I learned to make a program to accept input and display output using Python language. Thank you.
Right, so your guess was right. Very good. So let me give you a reward for that. Okay, so that was your reward. That's fine, that's very good. So now you told me how humans used to communicate and you arranged it in a communication assignment. That was a very good task and you did it in a fraction of seconds. Now tell me, how will humans communicate with the computer? How can we communicate with computer?
By email.
Okay, by email, that is also like humans will communicate. Like you will be sending emails to humans. I am telling only computer, and how will you both communicate?
Artificial intelligence.
Yes, very good. That's a very good answer. Yes, artificial intelligence. That's true. But there is one more thing, that how is that artificial intelligence being programmed so that we can communicate it?
By a specific language of computer.
Yes, exactly. So it will be programmed by a specific language. So today we are going through Python. So that is the programming language what we are going through, as I said before. Alright. So whichever programming language we take, we have to give instructions to computer to program. Correct?
Yes.
So that program is nothing but a set of instructions that we give to computer to perform a specific task.
Okay.
So program is a set of instructions that is given to computer to perform specific tasks, and there are many programming languages which has helped us to communicate with computer. Since the computer came into existence, many of the programming languages were coming, we were going, and new technology was coming, new programming language was coming. So this is how we are connected to system, we are communicating with computer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So let me show you the slide. Printed. So what I'll do, I have to give the message inside a bracket with single or double quotes. So let me give double quotes here, and I'll write coding is fun. So what do you think the output will be in this statement, from this statement?
Which is written in the bracket.
Yes, very good. So let me tell you before going to the output. So this is where we are going to write our program. So this is a shell script, and this is the output screen where we are going to get our output, and this is a run button. Once we are done with the program, if we click on run, we will get the output here. So let me show you. Okay, so did you see, as you said, only the message what we have written inside the bracket, that is being displayed. Okay, so now for example, if you want to create your own account in either Facebook or Google, how will you follow, like how will you come to know that you have to enter your name only here, you have to enter your username, password here? How will you get to know? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I was asking, whenever you want to create your own account either in Google or in Facebook, so how do you get to know that you have to enter your name only here, you have to enter your age here? So how will you get to know that?
It is written there.
So it will be displayed like first name, second name,
yes,
last name, like middle name, last name, to right, like that, right?
Yeah.
So same way, I want the name to be entered as an input.
Okay.
So here, what do you understand about input? What does it come to your mind when I say input?
To write our name in that site.
Yeah, very good. So to give information to computer, to give data to the computer, right? Inserting some value. So that is how input also works here. So let me show you. Now the computer should ask me enter your name, and I should give my input as my name. How to do that? So same thing, in the print statement, I am going to write enter your name. So this is a message now the computer will ask me. So for that I have to give an input. So how to give that input? My name is input right now. The name what I enter is an input, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have to give? I have to give name equals input, and I have to open a empty brace. So why this empty brace? So this empty brace will take the input and it will come to the next line after taking the input.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want this name. I want this name to be printed on the screen again. So what I am going to do? I type in the print statement